Well, I've got a Porsche Taycan today. Now, for this customer, we've installed a Thatcham Category S5 approved vehicle tracking and monitoring solution using Global Telemetrics product with driver identification via smartphone app and or these Bluetooth driver ID cards. If the vehicle was to move without the wireless handshake with one of these cards, you get two supplied, it will send an alert to the 24/7 control centre. It will then contact the owner of the vehicle to confirm whether or not the movement of the vehicle is authorised. If it's not, obviously they'll liaise with the local authorities to track, monitor and recover the vehicle as necessary. This is also available in a sort of no card, no start scenario. So if somebody clones your key or steals your key, and then they get into your car to drive it away without seeing this card, they won't be able to start the vehicle. So that's also an option with this system. There you go, Thatcham Category S5 insurance approved. Ticks all the boxes, keeps your insurance company happy, and keeps the owner's pride and joy safe and secure. Get in touch if you need any more information on this or any other vehicle security products. There's the number there, 0330 010 0506. Thanks for watching.